Hey everyone, James here. If you've been looking into supplements to boost your energy, support muscle recovery, and improve overall wellness, you may have come across Advanced Amino Formula. But before you make a purchase, let's go through everything you need to know: the good, the not so good, and whether it's worth your money. So, what exactly is Advanced Amino Formula? It's a dietary supplement designed to give your body essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein that support muscle repair, strength, and overall energy production. Unlike regular protein powders that can be heavy or hard to digest, this formula focuses on delivering pure amino acids in the right balance, which makes it quicker for your body to absorb. Here are some of the main benefits users highlight. Supports muscle recovery. Great for athletes, gym goers, or anyone dealing with fatigue. Boosts energy and stamina. Helps reduce tiredness by fueling your muscles directly. Easy on digestion since it's amino acids and not heavy protein. It doesn't bloat or upset your stomach. Promotes overall wellness. Aminos aren't just for fitness. They play a role in immune function, mental clarity, and maintaining lean muscle as you age. Convenience. Comes in capsule form, which is easier than mixing powders or shakes. Many users say they feel less sore after workouts and more energized throughout the day, but results will vary depending on diet, activity, and consistency. If you decide to try Advanced Amino Formula, make sure to buy it only through the official website. That way, you'll avoid fake or expired versions that sometimes pop up on third-party sites. I'll leave the safe link in the description for you to check out. So, my honest opinion? Advanced Amino Formula is a solid option if you want a clean, efficient way to get your essential amino acids. It's not a miracle pill. You still need good nutrition and exercise, but it can give you that extra edge in recovery, energy, and overall health. If you're ready to give it a try, check out the official link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you've tried it before, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.